Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Spice Breeze. Spice Breeze is a culinary subscription box that sends you recipe kits from all around the world. They do have two different subscription options. There is the Duo that's $5.90 for 2 spice kits. You don't get to choose them. They send you a surprise 2 kits each month. So that includes the 2 recipes and then whatever spices go along with that recipe. Now there is also the Quad, which is what I'm reviewing today. It's $11.85. You're going to get the 2 recipes that are included in the Duo, and then you also get to go into their monthly menu. You'll get an email at the beginning of the month. You can choose from there 2 recipes that you like. Why is the light is flashing? I feel like the light is changing. I am so sorry. So anyway, I'm excited. I love this subscription. I love to always make one of these recipes. So if you're interested in that, I'll be linking to my full review below. Right, Susie? Right? All right. So this is the June Culinary Spice Box. A tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean. So Seychelles, I think I'm saying that right, is where we're going. Well, one of the places. All right, so our recipes are curry cocoa, smorgastarta, which is Swedish, poisson gris, that's also Seychelles, and quinoa salad. So there are our 4 recipes, and let's look at our spices, how pretty they are. So in our quinoa, we have 2 spice packets. It's this one and then this one right here, and that includes the first is aji panca, cumin, oregano, and then the second is just green jalapeno. Then in our curry cocoa, there are 2 packets as well. So it's this packet right here, and then that packet right there. I smell cinnamon somewhere. All right, so the first has turmeric, cinnamon, coriander, onion, chili, cumin, garlic, curry leaves, fenugreek, ginger, yellow mustard, cardamom, black pepper. And then the second is nutmeg and cinnamon. So whoop, look at that. That actually looks really good. I may make that one. I don't know which one I'm going to make yet. So, all right, next we have the smorgastarta. All right. That's not it. Which one is it? Is it just one? Ooh, there it is. So it's just got 1 packet. This one right here. And that includes horseradish, green peppercorns, fennel, dill, and celery. Ooh, that sounds like it would be a yummy tart dish. And so finally we have the poisson, which there's a packet here, this little brown one, and then this larger brown one. The second is typically in the subscription the hotter spice, so just to keep that in mind. The first has tamarind, garlic, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves. Then the second has cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, cumin, thyme, coriander, and white pepper. That looks like a fish dish, right? It is. Oh, you need a whole red snapper. I've never made that, and I've never had it in my life. So that's interesting. All right. That's everything I received. Hey, you can't sit on that. In my Spice Breeze subscription. If you're interested in that full review, I will link to that below. I'll also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out because they're amazing. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.